Carter and you're watching. Hi, I'm Carter and you're watching.
Surprise?
Yeah.
Are your hiccups gone?
Yes, they are.
Today's episode is all about surprises.
All those surprisingly satisfying moments that make you go, ooh.
And ah.
All that and more this time on More with Kinetic Sand.
This is the official Kinetic Sand Slice and Surprise. Let's see what you can make.
That's the thumbnail right there.
Oh, yeah.
All right,
forgot.
so I got the thing. Now I'm gonna use this to press it down to make it nice and flat. Oh, did you hear that?
Yes, yes, finally. Then I put it in here.
It is
Then what do I
filled.
Okay, so it looks like just a black cube. Satisfying. Hear that crunch.
Oh, it looks like a sushi roll.
Sandisfying, eh?
Let's make our own blind sensory bin. Carter, Kirby, this is a blind sensory bin challenge. Using only your sense of touch, you'll have to guess what's in the bin. Whoever guesses the most correct items wins. You won't be able to see what's in the bin, but for fun, we're gonna let your opponent watch using a tablet.
I have really good senses, so I think I can do this. This is a spiky ball. I know that. Oh, wait, I think I know this. Wait. This is a wacky track. Oh, this is easy. Pop it.
There's still stuff in the kinetic sand.
I know, oh, it's the chicken thing. Fidget spinner. Oh, a noodle.
Why?
A poppy thing. Tube.
They got the good sniffs. I got the bear claws. Boy! I'm nervous. What is this? What? Do you like this? Okay, this is squishy. A squishy ball.
What type of ball?
Squishy ball.
No, but like what?
I don't know. Anyway, moving on. Like infinity cube. What is this though? Is this supposed to be a fidget?
There's a
ball?
lot more stuff.
This is a metal ball. This is a stretchy. Is this a worm? What color sand is this? Is this a skateboard? What is this? A brick? Hold on, let me test it. No. Is this a cube? Y'all put easy stuff in hers.
Let's make our own giant kinetic sand slice in surprise.
That's all for today's episode. We'll be...
Surprised?
I could never be more surprised than I am right now.
Next week is beach week. I'm ready.
I can see that. Well, we'll see you next week.
At the beach on More with Kinetic Sand. Bye. Hi, I'm Carter.
I'm Kirby.
And you're watching More with Kinetic Sand.
Today is all about those oddly satisfying moments when playing with kinetic sand.
Don't you mean oddly sandisfying?
Yes, Carter, sandisfying.
So if you like flowing,
Slicing,
and crushing,
don't click away. It's everything oddly satisfying this time on
More with Kinetic Sand.
Can you describe oddly satisfying?
something that sounds relaxing. Like kinetic sand, when you slice it, you know, it makes that like crunching sound.
So satisfying, it makes you feel like a river that's like flowing in the wind and stuff.
Have you heard of ASMR?
I forgot what it stands for, but I know that it's about things that make people like relaxed.
Can you give us an example of ASMR in the microphone?
ASMR.
We are about to do some oddly satisfying moments.
That was actually oddly satisfying. On the table in front of you is a highly sensitive microphone and noise-canceling headphones. Kirby, we'll have you put on the headphones first. Carter, you can slice through the dome.
When he slices through it, I think it's gonna feel very relaxing and wow. It like sounds really nice and also it looks really nice and it's really fun.
Whoa. Wow, that's so, yeah, that's cool.
Nice. Wait, ready?
That's
I like the waves.
That's cool, yeah.
Look at that slice of color.
I like how the colors are like rainbow and stuff.
It's very relaxing, and the colors make it more interesting, I feel like. Because it's almost a surprise of what color is going to be inside. Looks like a galaxy.
Wow.
Let's take a look at the Kinetic Sand Sandisfactory set. All right, Carter, Kirby, it is time for another challenge. We have placed a divider between each of you, and you have both been given various colors of sand and tools to make your own oddly satisfying creations. When the time is up, we'll remove the barrier and you'll present your creation to the other, and we'll see who made the most sandisfying creation.
I'm gonna win.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, that looks so satisfying. First, I gotta make my colors mix.
Same. Ooh, this is a pretty color combination.
Then I can get my satisfying mix. Why does every kinetic sand mix have at least a little bit of purple in it?
Mm-hmm.
Is kinetic sand purple? I don't know.
That's pretty satisfying. That looks awesome.
Ooh, I have an idea for my things.
Mine's gonna be very colorful because I like color. Okay, I'm good. Ooh. I think this looks really good. And I really like it. Mine's very simple, but not. If you know what I'm saying. I'm proud of mine. Mine looks good.
Mine looks okay, I guess.
Wow.
Taking it lost.
This is oddly sandisfying at home.
Whoa! So satisfying.
Carter, don't you mean sandisfying?
It's so cool that you can do so many oddly satisfying things with kinetic sand and just a few household items.
Right? So what are you waiting for? Start creating today.
We'll see you next time on More with Kinetic Sand. Bye!